Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to make your TikTok account private. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up TikTok app. Make sure you have already downloaded TikTok app on your device. Once you open up it, click on profile icon that is located on bottom right corner. And now click on 3 bar. Go to the settings and privacy. Next, click on privacy. Here, turn on private mode. Once you tap on it, it will turn on private mode. So in this way, you can make your account private on TikTok. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.